Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix the problem of age restriction on the application of Pinterest. You should just follow me step by step. In the first, we will go to this window of settings as you see, and you will click. In this page, you will go down until you find this window of apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about the application of Pinterest as you see, and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will go to permissions. Here you will enter. Then here in this list you will check if these permissions are allowed. For example, you find here photos and videos allowed, but camera and contacts and microphone notifications not allowed. So you will allow the permission of microphone and notifications, also camera like this. Then you will go to this sign of first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then in this page you will click on clear cache. Here you will go to this window of Pinterest or this application of Pinterest. After that, you will click in this sign of profile. You click in this sign. Then in this list, you will go to this window of privacy and data. Here in this list, you will find again clear app cache, and you will click clear cache to clear it here on the application of Pinterest to make sure that you can fix your problem. Then you will go to Play Store. After that, you will go to this sign of search, and here in this page you will search about the application of Pinterest. Then in this page, if you find updates here, of course you will update your app. But if all these steps not working with you or not solving your problem, then you should uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.